Today we're making a penne pomodoro. Tomato? Fresh basil? How chic does that sound? I mean, everything sounds chic when you pose it as a question. Come on, try it with me. Fresh garlic? The kitchen table? My living room television? You know what I mean? Everything sounds good this way. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food will change your life. What does penne pomodoro mean? Well, that is a good question. The literal translation is the yummiest pasta dish you will make without devoting your entire evening to it. Chefs on Cozymeal have been working extremely hard to bring you recipes that they know you'll like. So before we begin, please do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap on that notification bell. Let's get started. Bring a large pot of water to a boil and prepare your mise en place. Get your ingredients together so you're not scrambling at the last second. Heat oil in a deep skillet and add the peeled and halved garlic clove. Cook for 2 minutes and add the tomato passata. Now, tomato passata is just a fancy word for a tomato puree, which has been strained to remove the skins and the seeds of the tomato. If you're wondering, the difference between a tomato passata and a tomato sauce is that the tomato sauce is already cooked. Now, we're opting for a passata here because we want bright and bold tomato flavor in the puree. Add your tomato paste, season with salt. Cover and cook this for 10 minutes over medium-low heat. Stir it occasionally. After 10 minutes of simmering, remove the garlic and add basil leaves. Keep this warm over low heat. Meanwhile, cook the pasta to al dente according to the package instructions. Do this in generously salted boiling water. Then drain the penne and add it directly to the pan with the tomato sauce. Stir for a few minutes over medium heat to thoroughly combine the pasta and the sauce. I like to add a splash of the pasta water to the penne and the sauce blend. The starch in the pasta water is so delicious and it helps bring all of the flavors and the textures together. I think pasta water is like gold. Garnish this with additional fresh basil and grated Parmesan. This looks incredible. If you want the full recipe, check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes. There's gonna be this recipe, but also a whole library of others that you can choose from. If you have not already, please do me the favor of liking this video and subscribing to the channel. My name is Yanni, and you just watched Cozymeal Studios. Mwah. I'll see you guys next time.